James crying, cause he just got dumped on. I ain't even lying. Yo, he just...
Want to know something gross? Acid rain is caused by burning coal and other fossil fuels because they produce waste gases that contain nitrogen oxides and sulfur. When these harmful gases combine with water in our atmosphere, it forms acids. Then OMG.
Water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth.
As you heard, water travels in a cycle, so when acid gets involved, it becomes acid rain. The rain falls into lakes, streams, and marshes that can kill fish. Yep, not just fish, but other water life too. Why does it matter? Besides the fact that it's not cool for creatures to die like this, but it changes the ecosystem and it's all connected. Acid rain can also seep into the ground, and this can be very harmful to trees. We need trees to breathe.
That's right. Acid rain can be extremely damaging to trees. It can harm their leaves, limit the nutrients available to them, and even poison them with toxic substances slowly released from the soil. We need to love our trees.
So we're going to talk about the greenhouse effect. So we know the sun heats up our planet, and we live in that first layer of the atmosphere called the troposphere. And we need the sun to heat up our planet because we need a temperature that we can survive in. But what happens is when we get too much heat, it can heat up our planet to a temperature that's not positive because climate change is real. So right here, I have this beautifully drawn Earth, right? And I've got a couple layers represented by my green circles. You've got the troposphere right here where we live. And then I've got the sun right over there. So what happens is the sun's rays comes through the layers, through the ozone in the stratosphere, through the troposphere, and warms our planet. Well, then some of that radiation comes back out. What happens with the greenhouse effect is the heat gets trapped in here. And when it gets trapped in here and it can't get out, it causes the earth to heat up. Well, why does it get trapped? Because of greenhouse gases, which are gases like carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor. And these extra greenhouse gases come from human activity, from fossil fuels, from us driving cars, doing all kinds of things that we do and pollute the air. But the big understanding is that you understand that sun's radiation gets stuck in our layer in the troposphere, between the troposphere ending and our planet, and it makes our temperature go up, which is really dangerous for our planet. Have a great day.
Clearly, humans impact our environment a lot. And now, an important message brought to you by the Hurl family.
A variety of human activities affect our air quality and can lead to changes in human health. As we humans use chemicals and burn materials, the byproducts really impact our air. Some common examples of air pollution are aerosols like cleaning sprays that keep tiny particles suspended in air for a long time, and chlorofluorocarbons known as CFCs, which are found in lots of places like refrigerators, air conditioners, and fire extinguishers. Another big problem is over farming. As you have discussed in your Earth and Environmental class, cows cows produce a massive amount of methane emissions into the air. Clearly, lots of air pollution comes from places that we need and use for everyday life. So limiting use and finding alternatives is really important. The Environmental Protection Agency is trying to mitigate. This means to make less severe the impacts to our air through promoting societal changes, legislation, and individual action. In closing, what can you do to help improve our air?
This is the only planet we have that we can live on. So we've got to take care of it. Awareness, education, and changing habits and helping fight for what's right for our planet is important. We want to keep our planet a place where we can live for many years to come and enjoy our animals, our families, plants, and all the things we like to do outside. So please do what you can to protect our planet. And don't forget,
Takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the